Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to customize your gender on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings. Now click personal information, now click gender and here you'll find custom, click on it and here as you see you can change your gender and click save and that's it, will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.